How to fix to enable a personal hotspot on this account contact carrier on your iPhone. So for that, first of all, open up settings, tap on general, tap on about, and if your carrier settings update is available, install it. After that, head back to your general, scroll below, tap on date and time, and make sure date and time and reasons are set correctly. After that, check if any VPN is connected. Scroll down to VPN and device management, and just like that, disable any active VPNs. If the issue continues, you want to go ahead and simply tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on reset, then choose reset network settings. You should also update your iPhone to the latest version by going into general, tapping on the software update, and simply update any available updates. If it's still not working, you can simply force restart your iPhone and then try again. If none of these work, contact your mobile carrier. In many cases, personal hotspot needs to be enabled on your account by your service provider. That's it guys, thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.